Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through quickly using sample backtests. Now, let's move on to the form section. Scroll down until you reach the backtest form. Click the Backtest List button. The Sample Backtests page stores sample backtests provided by the system. Each entry will default to displaying the entry description and exit description. Select the sample backtest you want to copy based on the description. Click on the Copy Backtest icon to copy the sample backtest. Upon completion of the copying process, the system will automatically switch to the history page. The copied sample backtest did not run, so you are unable to view or copy its results. Now you can click the Edit Backtest icon to selectively modify the backtest parameters and run the copied sample backtest. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on using sample backtests. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.